Hey, this will be a video chart on JBII. What we're looking at here is a 60-minute chart, and all that means is instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, they just represent an hour's worth of price action. The reason I'm doing this is, well, we'll just go to the daily chart real quick. But looking at the daily, all you can really tell from it was, wow, this was a crazy day yesterday, followed by an equally crazy day today. So I think the 60-minute does a little bit better job of breaking things down. But I will say, from an educational standpoint, it doesn't get much better than this. Nasty pullback, and then right here you see that purple line. That is the very famous 50-day simple moving average, and this is exactly why it's a famous moving average. I can guarantee you there are some chartists and risk versus reward players sitting down there looking to accumulate some shares, and sure enough, the price hit it and bounced off, and this was pretty much a steroidal type bounce all the way up there. So quick little education there. Now let's go back to the 60-minute chart. So here's a 60-minute, and like I said, you can see that the past 2 days, or not the past 2 days, excuse me, these past two candles here were where the brutality of the selling happened, and then right here was what looks to have been the capitulation day. Big volume came down here, and this is the 200 period simple moving average, and you can see this is what provided support for the bulls. And then from there, you had some stabilization, and then things started to take off today, and then the basically all day today was all green, so a nice little sign. So going forward, what do we want to see continue to happen if this move is going to happen? Well, at this point, we need to start to see higher lows being put in once again, and I think a great spot for that would be if the price is able to hold this level here, which is at $1.60. Let's try that again. So we have a support level right here, and in just a minute I'll explain where I got that level from. But like I said, this is $1.60, and if we look back at through the history of the chart, you can see it was a support level here, and then when the price fell below it, it became resistance, and now that the price is back above it, this would be a nice level. Now I point out this one because if the price did pull back, then obviously this would be a higher low. Now, does this one absolutely have to hold? No, it doesn't. There are still some other supports, but at worst case, I wouldn't want to see it going any more below $1.40. But at the end of the day, as long as this moving average down here continues to hold, then that's what really counts. And then just to end, where is the key level of resistance? Well, if we look through the history of the chart, you can see that this level up here has a pretty big history of being a past level of support, and now it is changed into resistance. And this level right here is at $2. So $2 is going to be a key level. And once more, all I'm talking about is if we go through the history of the chart, you can see support, acted as support right around here, and then when things finally did kind of fall below, things fell hard. So $2 is going to be the key level of resistance moving forward. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups and trade ideas and educational pieces, everything from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and give it a try. One more time, this was JBII. Thanks for listening.